Hello, this is One Idea a Day and AI in Agriculture. We will speak about Raspberry Pi today. What is Raspberry Pi? I will show you how it looks like. So this is the box called Raspberry Pi. Probably from raspberries it has just the red color, but and yes, this logo. I think you don't see it, but it's nice logo here of a tiny raspberry. I will try to find the photo and just add it somewhere. So what is the good thing about Raspberry Pi? And we will not have any slides at all. It just will be a talk, but it will not be half of an hour. It will be quick, just to give you an overall feeling of Raspberry Pi and idea. So what is good about Raspberry Pi is that it's such a nice, flexible, and very good fit to almost every task. If you don't have internet available and you still need to use some AI algorithms, machine learning, computer vision, deep learning, whatever you need to deploy, either you have some sensors which need to collect data and you need to process this data on site, then Raspberry Pi is a big friend. And you can also, it's a cover, so we will take it off and you can see what's inside, because inside it's a small computer. And also what is important that here you have the you can connect the network, but it's only one, and also you have 4 USB ports, and this means that you are able to connect 4 more devices which will do something, and then this nice box will do the data fusion and do everything else what you need to do without internet. And another good thing that basically if you will use one of these ports for connecting the monitor, and you can install Linux here. Linux, I think you know, but just in case if not, Linux is one of the operating systems, and I am just one of the big fans of Linus Torvalds, the person who created all this Linux mindset, and so it's a separate story. But very nice guy, Linus Torvalds. And Linux is good for running lean programs, for running servers, and that's why it can be deployed on Raspberry Pi. And just you need the extra skills and extra niche knowledge to be able to work with it. Yes, and there are some other sockets as well, so you can add different devices. But there is the main problem of Raspberry Pi is that it still it likes very good conditions in terms of environment, because if you have humidity like we have in greenhouses, and also if you have some dust, if the environment is not exceptionally stable and good, then it creates some problems for functionings. Then you need to have extra maintenance session, and also if there is kind like a bit shaky history of Raspberry Pi, so sometimes the versions are not aligned with each other. Sometimes, I read about some challenges regarding this memories, memory cards inside, that it can also, depending on the power cuts and some unstable use, there are some issues with this type of work. But what can I confirm, that in terms, if the device is in stable environment, it can receive the photos, for example, from camera which is connected either through wire or through wireless connection, And the main thing, this box must be in good environment, and then it works perfectly fine and it does its job. But if placed in some more challenging conditions, then expect maybe some extra need to work with it. By the way, yesterday I published an example how Raspberry Pi was deployed in the greenhouse, and it was limited period of time. So for research purposes, Raspberry Pi is very good, but I just have not seen a very strong publicly available proof of how Raspberry Pi behaves in the production conditions and when it's 24/7 working, and probably just requires some regular maintenance schedule and replacement. Yes, but if you know any interesting cases, just let me know. I also will add a video regarding this cannabis case somewhere here, so you will see it. Thank you so much for your time today, and see you tomorrow with one more idea.